Is your 2014-2018 Kia Forte key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. This video shows you how to quickly and easily replace it yourself, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This is a simple DIY task that requires minimal tools and no programming. Your Kia Forte key fob from 2014 to 2018 models uses a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. The CR2032 is a specific type of lithium coin cell battery, distinguished from other sizes by its 20 millimeters diameter and 3.2 millimeters thickness. You can find CR2032 batteries at most drugstores, supermarkets, electronics stores, and online retailers like Amazon or Walmart. Make sure to purchase a genuine CR2032 from reputable brands like Energizer or Duracell. This helps avoid counterfeit batteries that may cause issues with your key fob. Carefully inspect your key fob for a small notch or seam along its edge. Insert the flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into this opening. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid forcing it, as this can crack or damage the plastic casing. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should usually be facing up. Use your finger or a small tool to gently pop the old battery out. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's seated firmly with the correct orientation. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Ensure they are aligned correctly and that the case is fully closed. Once reassembled, test the key fob's functions: lock, unlock, and panic button to ensure the new battery is working properly. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, double-check that the battery is inserted correctly and is a fresh CR2032. In rare cases, the fob may need to be reprogrammed. Try cycling the key in the ignition 10 times in the run position, or consult your owner's manual or a Kia dealer for reprogramming instructions. Lithium batteries should be recycled properly. Check with your local recycling center or retailers like Best Buy for battery recycling programs. Avoid throwing them in the regular trash. The recycling process recovers valuable materials like lithium, carbon, and metals for new batteries. Remember, DIY battery replacement for your 2014-2018 Kia Forte key fob is a simple and cost-effective way to keep your car accessible. If you follow the steps carefully, you can save money and time.